Poems for Kids, Volume 1. This is Karen. She likes to write poems. This is Brian. He likes to read poems. Karen and Brian like to read and write poems with their friends. Poems sometimes rhyme and sometimes don't. Poems have a beat. Poems are fun to read. So have fun reading some of Karen and Brian's favorite poems. Happy Thought. The world is so full of a number of things. I'm sure we should be as happy as kings. Robert Louis Stevenson. A giggle. A giggle makes me wiggle. Giggle, jiggle, wiggle. See me squiggle as I giggle with a jiggle. See me jiggle as I wiggle with a giggle. Can you giggle, jiggle, and wiggle? A smile. A smile makes me happy. Wouldn't you agree? For when I smile at my friends, they smile back at me. Sun fun. Warm sun, hot sun, bright sun. Come, sun. We'll have fun, sun. We'll play, sun. We'll run, sun. So come, sun. An autumn greeting. Come, said the wind to the leaves one day. Come over the meadow and we will play. Put on your dresses of red and gold, for summer is gone and the days grow cold. Anonymous. Rain. Drip, drop, drips. Raindrops on my lips. Splash, splish, splashes. I feel raindrops on my lashes. Pour, pour, pour. Let it rain some more. Clouds change. White clouds, dark clouds, puffs of sunset pink. Clouds change very quickly, faster than I blink. Cloud dance. Clouds can dance. They glide and float by. Clouds can dance, and so can I. Eat your peas. Eat your peas. Please, Louise, eat your peas. Please, it's a breeze. Eat your peas with ease. You won't freeze or sneeze or get fleas. Please, Louise, just eat your peas. Tomato ketchup. If you do not shake the bottle, none'll come, and then a lot'll. Anonymous. Hot soup. Hot soup, Sally. Don't take a sip. Let Mama blow on it so you don't burn your lip. Cool soup, Sally. Sip it with your spoon. Sip by sip, Sally. All gone soon. Bug on my rug. There's a bug on my rug, crawling to somewhere. There's a bug on my rug. Now it's on the chair. There's a bug on my chair, crawling to somewhere. There's a bug on my chair. Now it's on that stair. There's a bug on the stair, crawling to somewhere. To my room? Oh no, bug. Not my room, chair, or that stair. Off my rug. Crawl outside to somewhere. My frog. I caught a frog as it hopped, hopped, hopped. I caught a frog, and for a second, it stopped. I held it, and it croaked, croaked, croaked. Then it leaped into the water with a stroke, stroke, stroke. Yes, I caught a frog that I could not keep. It's swimming in the pond, deep, deep, deep. I saw a deer today. I saw a deer today. It stopped but didn't stay. We smiled at each other, and then it ran away. So now you've read some of the fun poems for kids. Did you like them? Karen and Brian are busy reading and writing more poems to share with you. Maybe you'll write some fun poems for kids too. If you do, don't forget, poems use words in a fun way. They can rhyme or have a beat. Try it. It's fun.